and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a braiding style video. Now I'm always looking to create some cool styles while I have a protective style in. So I was like, why not just make another YouTube video for it in case y'all have braids or a protective style and you guys want to jazz it up other than wearing it a certain way all the time. So if you're interested, definitely keep watching. Guys, I could barely see out of these. I was trying to be cool, but I'm gonna take these off for now. We'll put them back on at the end of the video. But as you can see, I have my little funky buns going on here. And pretty much this was easy. I just pulled a few of my braids out, let them hang, and then I just decided to wrap around these two buns until they formed and did their own thing. What I'm thinking of doing are two separate type of styles. So the first one, I'm thinking of doing two braided ponytails. We'll see how that goes. And then the other one, I'm thinking of doing a half up, half down type of look. Let's get into these two looks. First, I'm gonna take this down and then we're gonna jump right into it. All right, so now that my hair is down, I am gonna get ready to do the two braids first. Now, I am looking down because I have my two scrunchies, but I'm thinking for these two videos that I'm going to use some elastic rubber bands. That's if they can fit. I don't have any smaller scrunchies, but I do have these snappy scrunchie thingies that I've had for a while and just never used. I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure that my hair is even in the back. So as you can see, one side is standing strong, the other one keeps looping down a bit, but that's okay, they don't have to be perfect. What I'm gonna do is actually start on this side first, and I'm just gonna take maybe two braids and kind of hold it up to the position where I want it to fully be at, just like that. And then I'm gonna use those two braids and just wrap it around. So it kind of hides the scrunchie a bit. Perfect. So you can kind of see it's a bit tighter now, it's in place, but the scrunchie is completely covered. And you can honestly leave it after you're finished doing this. You can just leave it, you don't even have to braid it, but of course I'm still gonna braid it. So braided both of them off camera, and I was just going in creating some more volume, I guess you could say, in the braids by separating them out. And I used the elastic rubber bands at the bottom just to hold them in place because they kept unraveling on their own. But let's get into the next style, which is a little bit more subtle. Okay, so my hair now is back to where it was before. I'm about to just go off camera and kind of part the middle. Maybe 2 to 3 rows, just so I have enough to braid it in the middle. But I'll show you guys once I come back and you'll see what I'm talking about. I went ahead and I took 4 rows, I believe. 4 rows. That way I could braid the top. But I'm just gonna put this away for now. And I'm gonna bring my hair all the way to the back just so it's out of the way. So now that I have it braided all the way to this midpoint, I'm just gonna grab an elastic. So hold it in place. Alright, let's get our glasses back on because we're feeling the style. You can obviously rock it this way, which is pretty cute because it's a small little ponytail. So you can bring it to the front, you have your hair, some of it to the front, it's super cute, boom, boom, boom. But you can also create the cute little bun at the top, and you can start by just wrapping it around very, very slowly because you want to make sure you have a good grip on it. So once you have that small grip, you just wrap it around Then use your hands to kind of help shape the bun. Continue to take your time. I'm taking these off. I cannot see nothing. It's crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely try out these styles if you're looking to just spice up your protective styles, your knotless braids, your box braids, whatever you got that you're able to do this with. But yeah, thanks for watching this quick little video, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.